Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, and if you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you so much for coming back for another video. So as you guys know, we are patiently awaiting the arrival of our new baby boy. So we only have a few weeks left and I am super excited. So today's video is going to be all about organizing, nesting, preparing for baby. I wanted to give you guys an overview of what we have going on in the nursery. This was actually Uriah's old room. He's in a new space, his new big boy room, which I will be sharing with you guys really soon. But yeah, I had a few things that I needed to put away and get organized. There's some stuff that I've purchased. So yeah, everything just needs to be organized. I have some clothes that need to be washed, and I just need to get everything put in its place. So that's pretty much what we're going to be doing today. And of course, once everything is complete, I will give you guys a full nursery tour. That way you guys will know exactly how everything turned out. And this bin is actually full of pieces that Uriah wore when he was a newborn, and I'm super excited about it because these were some of my favorite pieces, and also saved some blankets and different things like that. I will say this time I didn't buy a ton of different sizes. With Uriah, I bought everything from like 0 months all the way to like 18 months. Being a first time mom, I was super excited, so I was just buying all the things. But this time I only bought things up to 3 months, and I figured once we get to the 3-month mark, I can just, you know, buy as we go. So yeah, mostly everything that we have is just from 0 to 3 months. And this time I decided to buy a few more newborn pieces. With Uriah, I was pretty much listening to what everyone was telling me. They were saying don't buy many newborn pieces because they're not gonna stay in them long. So I only bought maybe like 4 or 5 newborn pieces with Uriah, and that was a mistake because he was only 6 pounds, and the 0 to 3 months literally swallowed him whole. So I had to go back and buy more of those newborn pieces. So this time I did get a little bit more in newborn sizes just because I figured that I would definitely need them, because Uriah wore newborn sizes till he was about 8 weeks old. So I had to have a little bit more than the 5 outfits I bought. So I ended up buying more later, and also my friend Christina got him a lot of newborn pieces. So that definitely helped, but of course it's gonna depend on how big your baby is. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put everything in the washer. I like to make sure that it's all washed beforehand, just because babies can have a really sensitive skin. So I like to make sure that everything is nice and clean. I just used a clear and free laundry detergent, something that would be really gentle on baby skin. So now making my way back up to the nursery, I'm gonna get his changing table all situated, get everything off top, and get it really neat. If you're wondering about the dresser, it's actually Ashley Furniture, and I'll talk all about the furniture and different pieces whenever I do the nursery tour. But yeah, this is Ashley Furniture. We picked it up from a local furniture store, which was so convenient because we didn't have to worry with putting the pieces together or anything like that. So now I'm just taking the little Hatch sound machine out the box. this was definitely a must-have. It does sounds, it has a night light, so it's really convenient. So the baby will be sleeping in our room for the first few months. With Uriah, he stayed in our room in the bassinet till he was about 9 months, and he literally could not fit in the bassinet any longer. So then we transitioned him to the top portion of a pack and play, and after about 14 months, we tried to transition to the crib, and it was just a mess, so we ended up co-sleeping. But now Uriah sleeps in his own room, in his own bed, and he's been doing so for a while. So if you have a kid that you're co-sleeping with, then, you know, don't stress about it too much. Yeah, I'm not really sure how we're gonna do it this time. We just kind of like to play it by ear and figure out how it's gonna work. So yeah, we don't really have any expectations. We just like to see what's gonna work best for us. And if you guys are wondering about the changing pad, it's also by the brand Hatch, and it's really cool because it also has a scale so you can weigh the baby, which I thought was really convenient because with Uriah, with breastfeeding, I bought a separate scale just to make sure that, you know, he was getting enough milk and all of that. So I thought this was really convenient because there's no need to buy the separate scale. It's like all in one. And now I'm just adding some diapers and some different essentials to this top drawer so that they'll be really easy to reach whenever I'm changing him. So I like to make sure that I have some backup diapers and wipes, and then also I'm gonna put all of these little essentials like his rash cream and gas relief drops and a thermometer, just different things that I really want to be able to grab really quickly. And I love these little crates that you can pick up from Target. They're super inexpensive, but they're great for storage. They come in so many different sizes, so definitely be sure to check them out. So we have all the essentials, everything's nice and organized, and I'll be able to see where everything is and be able to grab it whenever I need it. So the clothes are through washing, so I'm gonna move everything from the washer to the dryer. And I wanted to let you guys know about one of my most favorite features on this Maytag washer and dryer, and that is the fresh hold. I absolutely love it because it keeps clean clothes smelling fresh in the washer for up to 12 hours. And y'all, this is what I like to call a premium feature, because if you ever forget your laundry in the washer, you don't have to worry about it getting that sour smell. And I know that used to happen to me all the time, so I'm so thankful for the fresh hold. And as I'm moving the clothes from the washer to the dryer, I do like to shake them a little bit just to get out some of the wrinkles. And I love that the Maytag dryer has the sanitize cycle, because that helps eliminate 99.9% of common household bacteria. I started stocking up on some bath essentials, so we have the baby wash, baby lotion, all of those things I'm gonna store in this dresser. Also in this dresser, I have some of my breastfeeding essentials. So the breast pump, the nipple pads, the storage bags. So I am gonna breastfeed, but I also plan on pumping just so that we can also bottle feed. That's what we did with Uriah, and it worked out really well. So I don't really have any expectations when it comes to breastfeeding. I breastfed Uriah for about 5 months. Now I'm gonna clean the crib. This is the same crib that we used with Uriah. It's been in storage, but I absolutely love this crib. It's from RH Baby. I did notice that it had a few stains on it just from being in storage, so I just wanted to clean the upholstery a little bit. And I'm gonna wipe down the mattress. It does have that plastic mattress cover on it. I already let the actual mattress air out, so I'm just wiping down the cover. And now I'm gonna move all of these bottles to the dresser where I have the bath essentials. And I have a few different bottle options. Some of these were left over from when Uriah was a baby, so I do like to start off with the glass bottles. So we mostly have glass bottles for now. And if you've been around for a while, then you know that Colton has an obsession with turtles. So we found these cute little woven turtles at Home Goods, I do believe, and I thought that they would be a perfect touch for the nursery. So we're just hanging those now. And now I'm gonna open up his bathtub and I'm gonna put it in the bathroom. I'm so ready to get rid of all of the boxes. So everything that's in a box, I'm just trying to get it out so that we can get all the boxes hauled off. And now I'm just gonna vacuum over the floors because I did make a little bit of a mess just from taking all the tags off the clothes and everything. And to finish up for the day, Colton's gonna mop the room just because it was a little bit dusty, but that is going to be pretty much everything that we do today. We still have a few things that we wanna do. I plan on hanging curtains. We have a sign with his name on it that we wanna put over the crib, and I'm still trying to figure out what we're gonna put over the changing table. We have those acrylic bookshelves. We still have a few things that we need to do, just some finishing touches. So I will definitely do the nursery tour for you guys so you will be able to see what it all looks like once it is complete. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. And as always, I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye.